Looks familiar. This bar right here is really important. Okay, we have instructions in English. That's spectacular. A parts list. So simple. I could probably do this. Looks like it's all in English. Is that crazy? Oh, well, okay. This here looks like it's in French, but that's all right. I don't need that. You know I can read French. Yeah, right. Yep, definitely French. All right, we can do this. Stay tuned. And this looks like it will be the caddy. Let's put it together. This is a motorcycle wheel chock that I'm going to mount on a trailer, actually, for an Extreme Max product. So let's have a look at it. Let's see what we got in here. I'm sure it will be... We have a box. All right, we've got a box. And we've got this thing. We've got this thing. Let's see what's inside the box. Ah, looky there. You gotta have these. Okie dokie, so there's the little ramp all finished up. You see I assembled it backwards because I didn't want it hanging off my truck, but you can assemble it any way you so desire. And that's what it's packing. Yeah.